people of the world,
So we need to
Philippines.
put top.
So this is my
What is
chef tonight.
so we need to put the in the
So
hot
first,
boiling water,
you're
hot
going to
boiling
put
water,
it
the
all the
spices.
spice.
Then
What is that, mamita?
this is the what is the what is the name of this? We don't have in Thailand here.
Onion,
Onion
onion and
and
garlic.
garlic. So okay, we need to smash.
Not smash, ma'am.
What? What?
Lambot, ma'am.
You know. So we need to have this like this.
This is the
Bisaya, ano ta,
funniest
English
video
and
I ever
Bisaya.
had.
English and Bisaya
Uh-huh.
version. So we need to okay.
Okay.
So we need to okay the garlic and the onion.
Steer,
Then
mommy. Steer.
when you when you kita the color, the golden brown through.
Yeah, when the spice is turned into brown, what
Yeah.
next?
Next is
You need to put the togi.
yes,
I
that's
guess so.
right. So
Togi
I
or
think you
tofu?
are a chef before.
Tofu.
You are a chef before
Yes, I do.
because you know this
I'm not
kind
a
of
chef, but I know how to cook
recipes.
naman eh.
Ah, really?
Mm-hmm.
So where do you live?
Because I really believe that a wise man's heart is through his stomach and in a bed.
Ah, really? I like the sayings. Just the sayings or just your answer?
A sayings, as they said,
Article number.
1543221 Palubi
Then the third
is
steps
togi.
we need to
Put the
put all the
togi
toge. This is a
together,
toge. So what is
mix
the
it.
English of this kind of vegetable?
That's I forgot the name.
It has seeds. It's a mango seeds, right? It's a mango seeds, right? So what is the
Darling.
specific name?
Don't forget to put the magic sarap ha.
Of course, darling. I know that.
Because I believe nasa kamay mo ang magic.
Yes, that is the tagline of that seasoning. You know, here in the Philippines, I don't like it.
We're not in the Philippines right now, mamita. We're in Thailand.
Sorry. So we're here right now in Thailand.
Kapong ka! Sawadi ka! Amalidi boy! Amalidi boy!
So, regarding to your stay here, what you can, if you rate 10 here in this country, which is Thailand.
Well, I'm gonna rate Thailand from 1 to 10. 5, I guess. I still love my place.
1 to
10.
1 to 10?
Yeah.
Why 1?
No, if I rate it from 1 to 10,
Oh, 1 to 10.
then I'll rate it for 5 because I still love my place where I live, where I was raised, and
Oh, really?
yeah, because in our rather in our place in our
Experiences here.
yeah then and having experience here is really more difficult here, so expensive, you know.
But
It's
even
not.
if we are here right now in Thailand, we
We do manage.
no, we use this kind of it's a tradition.
Yeah, we already have it in our baggage as
But
well.
look at the slogan. Look at the it's a magic syrup.
Sponsored by Magic Sarap. Baka
It's a
naman.
magic syrup. So we have
Baka naman Magic Sarap.
Can you speak English, darling?
Oh my God, sorry. Sorry, mamita.
You know, I can speak Tagalog, but not so good.
Don't overcook it.
What?
Don't overcook it.
Yes, I know. Then the next.
We're gonna put that one. There's a scissor, darling.
Sorry.
There's a scissor to use to cut it.
We don't have scissor.
Oh my God.
Sorry. I think I'm blind. So, because in the Philippines, we don't need this kind of
Scissor.
scissor. So if you have a time to like
Just
this,
stir it.
yes. So why not? So what can you say about this kind of
Food? I didn't know.
recipe?
I don't know yet. I never,
Taste it before
I never
or not? Or it's
I
this is your
haven't
first time?
eat that kind of food
So
yet.
this is your first time to eat
Yeah.
this kind of food.
Well, I eat that tausho,
Sorry.
toge, toge sa turon lang.
And Tagalog. So before you eat this before? Or this is your first
No,
time?
sa kuwan lang jud na ma'am siya kung ginakaning kaunan na kanang sa turon.
Ah, so only the turon. What is turon?
It's a wrap,
Wrapping what?
wrap
Wrapping
veggie wrap.
It's a veggie wrap.
Kala ko kaning kuan na ginisa, muro nagsabaw naman na nini.
No, this is a
Hubasan pa
sabaw.
nimo.
This is the moisture of the vegetables. There's no water added. It's a moisture.
Mas nagtagak-tagak na ka dito sa likod, mas.
Speak English. What is tagak-tagak? What is tagak-tagak, by the way?
Fall down in the bridge. Falling down in the bridge.
Can you taste it?
No,
If it feels...
I guess it's already tasty.
So this is it. Our
Pansit.
viand for tonight is the togi with a Filipino style.
And the fried
matching
fish.
with
And
a-
the fried fish.
with a fried fish. Look.
Look at
This
the
is
howling.
Fried fish. So what kind of fish is this?
I don't know what kind of fish is it. I guess it's
So we
a.
don't have any ideas what kind of
I know
fish
it's
is.
a yellowfin.
Yellowfin. So yellowfin, I thought yellowfin is one of the most expensive fish here in Thailand. You know that already, or you don't have any idea?
Yung pergasok.
What? What's up? So
Ma'am, I'll get it off na ako.
yes, okay, go.